I'm gonna ask these random strangers right here if they'll help me. Hey, do you guys want to be my friend?
Yeah!
Okay, so first you have to ask them what their name is.
Hi, I'm South.
Hi, I'm Norm.
Oh, world.
You want some gum?
Yeah.
Do you want some
Hey,
gum?
thank you. You're the best.
Do you want some gum?
Yeah.
Best friend ever.
Thank you.
You're the greatest friend. We went to go eat, but we had to come back to do some ASB stuff.
For graduation. And we had to wear something nice. So we go to the drama building because, you know, they got extra clothes, right? He opens the door. We walk in, we go to a closet with a bunch of dresses, and we were kind of panicking because we didn't know what dresses to pick.
And they weren't even our dresses. So I was like, oh, hey, look, South, look at this dress. I found your dress, but it wasn't actually her dress. It was some princess dress that went all the way to the floor.
It was really bad. It looked like Cinderella when I put it on. I'm not even joking.
And also I chose a schoolgirl dress. And so when we went out there, it was like a whole runway with all the seniors' chairs right there. And our ASB teacher was just staring at us from all the way from the other side of the field.
It was really bad.
Hey, you know, I was just zoning out and I noticed your legs. Nice legs.
Oh my god.
By the way, you got some nice nail beds.
Yo, mama's so stupid that when she threw a rock at the ground, she missed.
Hey, dude, can you send me your homework?
Hey,
Oh yeah, I could send the homework.
Okay, cool. Thanks, man.
okay, cool. Thanks.
Catch land at the shore and move about 200 yards away from the pier itself.
And then just.